In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in Carnival account. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar, type in carnival.com, press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Carnival. From here, you'll be able to book a cruise for yourself. You'll be able to find various options over here. So if you want to log into your account, click on this option, login. Now you'll be led to the login interface. From here you'll be able to log in to your account. All you have to do is simply enter your email address or username and password, or you can also sign in with your device unlock method. Here I'm just going to enter the email address and password. So click on the field of email address or username. Now provide the email address or username over here. Likewise, click on the field of password and enter the password. Now after you enter your credentials, click on the login option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll easily be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Carnival account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.